Maybe you want an input number field like this where the dollar sign is drawn on top of the edit text. So in this video, I'm going to kind of teach you how to think so you can apply similar programming principles like this in the future, and just tell you a bit of a story. So when I was developing this, I told ChatGPT to make me an input text with a placeholder dollar sign in front of it, and it just did not do it. So I had to step back a little bit and think, what is it that I'm actually doing here? And what it is that we're actually doing here is we are drawing a input text inside of a div, and then we want to draw a dollar sign on top of it. And that is what I articulated to ChatGPT, and it kind of gave me the bare bones to it. And by the way, like, yes, I could do this without talking to ChatGPT, but if it doesn't matter, like, why are you going to not use ChatGPT to code parts and pieces of your applications? It's just a no-brainer. It just supercharges the productivity. And this is what it came out. So this is the part of the code that does that. It's a relative flex item center. What this means is it's just going to draw to the biggest element of the screen, and everything's going to be drawing on top of each other. If you want to learn more about it, ask ChatGPT what is a relative layout. Ask it what is a flex layout. And by the way, what you can even do is you can go up and open ChatGPT on your phone, and you can even talk to ChatGPT on your phone right now. So look, I got it up. It's I'm actually going to show you where the button is here. So you open up ChatGPT. It's this button right there at the bottom right. You click that and you could talk to it, and you could basically have it tell you what things are doing. So it's connecting here, and you could talk to it. Hey ChatGPT. Hello ChatGPT. Anyways, this is the code for it, and while this is connecting, I'm gonna talk a little bit about this stuff, but I don't know why this isn't working. Oh, it's because I have another instance open on my computer. But okay, that gets the point. Here's what you do. You'd be like, hey ChatGPT, how are you doing today? Because apparently you're supposed to ask it how you're doing according to the demos. I don't know why they do that, but just to be safe, in case it becomes sentient and decides to take over the world, at least you know you're on its good side. Okay? What this is doing is it has this input and it has this label. Normally a label comes before the input, but in this case I want to put it after, just so I don't have to add a z index here. If we want, we could put this here, but then we need to put z10, and you can see that this still works as follows. And this is auto reloading. Okay, you can trust me because you can get auto reload set up on here. It still works. And in here, this is absolute left P0. So in here is padding left and then P0. You notice the input text has a little bit more padding up front to make room for the dollar sign being drawn on top of it. Now I like to just write as little code as possible, things that don't really need it. So I'm gonna leave that there. If you want to put it up there, you can. And I know you can, because now you have the principles of how to code this. You know about the z index. I didn't really talk about the z index. So yeah, the screen is 2D, but as you know with 3D games, there is a z index. And if you're curious what a z index is, there's like x, y, and z, just like a graph. It's just the third dimensional axis that there is. So yeah, I'm Justin. I build a ton of software and a bunch of this stuff. If you watch this far, I know this is, like, if you're watching this type of video, you're the type of person who I'd get along with, and you should join my Discord server. I'm not going to give you the link because you got to find it. If you can't find it, then, like, you're probably, I don't want anyone, like, mindlessly clicking some button and clicking the Discord server in the description. So you got to figure out where it is. It's on my website somewhere, and it's very easy to find. But anyways, hope you have a great rest of your day. Goodbye until I see you again.